I want to know who's still putting pins on their products. What's going on? What's up, everybody? Oh, Painful Pleasures done sent me a package, and I tell you, if it wasn't for me living in the boonies, this thing would have been gone. Because look at the package. It says exactly what it is on the outside. I love doing stuff like this, and if you guys like it as well, make sure you show me some love, give me a like, maybe even comment. So, let's open this thing up and start with day one, see what we got. If we give it a little tug, let's see what we got inside. It looks like some soothing gel. So, let's test it out. It has like a little bit of a clear texture. It feels and smells like aloe vera, honestly. In the second box, what we got was some ink caps. So these look like a cat that's bald, and the package is really hard to open. So we get it open, and I'm just gonna put a couple at the bottom so you guys can kind of see what I'm getting as I'm going through these packages. On day 3, I think this is boo-boo. Just for me personally. I don't like pins, I don't put on anything, but the design is badass. On day 4, let's see what we got. We got some pins. And so what these pins are for is drawing on a nice custom tattoo and impressing your client, and then you can run up that price afterwards. Don't say that I told you to do so. On day 5, what we got was criminal as well. This will last me personally 2 tattoos. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.